So guys, this is why you don't have the confidence to drive on a road. For those of you who don't have confidence, as I said, the first rule is know what your vehicle can do and what it can't do. So you should be willing to learn. That means you should be willing to learn, to know what your vehicle can do. That will give you confidence on the road, because you are able to know and you are knowledgeable about what you are capable of doing. So to you all Kenyan drivers, what vehicle is this? Comment down below if you know what that vehicle is, the name of that lorry. And remember, when you're driving in Kenya, don't fear matatus or boda bodas, but always give them way and concentrate on driving your car. Just concentrate on driving your car and do not try and obstruct matatus or boda bodas, because that will not end well. Yeah, let's see. Okay, 3 bars. So remember to fuel up your car and then have some fun. Always have fun, and I mean have good fun, not crazy fun. Because remember, you need to be careful on the roads, and you need to make sure that other drivers are safe. Guys, don't be like this person. Don't be like this person. Don't be like them. Don't be like them. Be like us. Don't be like that guy showed you. Be like us, who follow the rules and obey the traffic lights. Yeah. And make sure we are safe. Yeah guys, so 7:13, I'm in town, and I just gave you guys 3 tips to be confident on the road. So I'll see you in the evening commute back home. They don't teach you how to drive at night, but I do. So the first rule of driving at night is make sure you know the road that you're driving to. If you don't know the road, just go slowly. But if you know the road, yeah, it's the same like it was during the day. So just keep going. Aje Baba. Yeah, so if you have been through a road before, like I've been through this road many times, I can almost drive here with my eyes closed. So it doesn't matter if it's night or day. But if it's your first time driving somewhere and it's at night, then you should be extremely cautious. Because you don't know if there are potholes, you don't know if like there are no lights, you don't know anything about the road, so you are learning the road and it's nighttime, which makes it even harder for you to drive. Whoa, that's Ruby's. You need to know that people drive slower in the evening and at night than they do in the morning. So you can clearly see people are driving way slower because they are tired, they can't see, most of them are hungry, etc, etc. Too slow, too slow. That's around 50 kilometers per hour. Yo guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today, and if you have not subscribed, remember to sub. I'll see you guys in the next video.